Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Cadence Containers is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for anyone who loves to travel light, stay organized, or simply streamline their daily routine, offering a sleek, magnetic, and refillable system that transforms how you carry your essential liquids and creams without the bulk or mess, making them an indispensable companion for both globetrotters and homebodies alike. Number 5. Sukuos Large Weekly Pill Organizer. Introducing the Sukuos Large Weekly Pill Organizer. This essential tool simplifies your medication routine, ensuring you never miss a dose. It helps you stay on track effortlessly. Designed for twice-daily medication schedules, it clearly separates your morning and evening pills. This makes managing your daily intake straightforward and stress-free. You'll appreciate its clear organization. Each day of the week has its own dedicated compartment. You can easily plan and prepare your medications for an entire week in advance. This provides complete weekly clarity. Its innovative design ensures the compartments are easy to open, even for those with dexterity challenges. Accessing your pills has never been simpler. You'll find it incredibly user-friendly. Enjoy peace of mind with its double protection feature. This ensures your medications are kept safe and secure, preventing accidental spills or mix-ups. Your pills remain protected at all times. Clearly marked AM and PM sections help you distinguish between your morning and evening doses. This thoughtful design eliminates confusion and promotes adherence. It makes daily management intuitive. What we like. This organizer offers a large capacity for your weekly medication needs, clearly separating AM and PM doses. If you manage multiple medications daily and need a reliable, secure system, this is an excellent choice. Its double protection ensures your pills stay safe and organized throughout the week. What people say. Number 4. DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, 16-pack. Introducing a comprehensive travel container set designed for all your beauty and cosmetic needs. This practical kit ensures you're always prepared, no matter your destination. It comes packed in a convenient zipper box, featuring bottles, jars, sprayers, and essential tools. This diverse collection allows you to bring a wide range of personal care items with ease. Its innovative leak-proof design prevents spills, safeguarding your luggage and clothes. The unique ball-shaped interior ensures you use every last drop, preventing any waste. Unlike typical travel containers, these feature a wide mouth, making it easy to fill with thicker liquids. This design also allows for quick and thorough cleaning with the included brush. Each bottle cap is equipped with a no-drip valve, ensuring precise dispensing every time. This smart feature prevents leaks and helps you get just the right amount of product. All accessories are neatly packed in a handy, transparent bag, fitting perfectly into small spaces. It's incredibly easy to carry, saving valuable toiletry space for any trip. What we like. This comprehensive 16-pack kit provides a wide array of containers for all your travel toiletries. Its leak-proof design and wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning make it incredibly practical. If you're a frequent traveler who likes to bring a variety of products and values convenience, this complete set is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Cosywell Travel Jar Set. Introducing your perfect travel companion. This set makes packing your essentials a breeze, keeping everything organized and secure. Crafted from durable silicone and PP, these jars are designed for longevity. Their soft yet sturdy construction ensures your products are safe. Say goodbye to spills and airport hassles. They feature hard sealed lids, ensuring no leaks, and are fully TSA compliant for carry-on. Whether it's lotions, creams, or makeup, these empty jars are ideal. They are perfect for all your cosmetic and toiletry needs on the go. This generous set includes 9 jars, providing ample space for all your favorite products. They are designed for ultimate convenience and easy refilling. Specifically designed for face creams and other beauty essentials, they keep them fresh. Their compact size fits perfectly in any travel bag. What we like. These jars are specifically designed for creams and lotions, featuring a blend of silicone and PP for durability. Their hard-sealed lids provide superior leak protection for thicker cosmetics. If you primarily travel with face creams, lotions, or makeup and need secure, specialized containers, these are an ideal solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted regarding Cadence Containers. Number 2. LONGWAY 3.4 ounces Leakproof Cosmetic Pot Jars. This set includes 9 durable, refillable plastic containers. They come with secure screw-on lids and inner liners to prevent leaks and spills. Plus, 9 spatulas are included for easy dispensing of your favorite products. These jars boast an attractive and cute pot appearance. Their effective liners ensure your products stay fresh and don't dry out. They are perfect for storing homemade cosmetics, lotions, face masks, and gels. You can also use them for DIY slime, party favors, or various crafts, making them useful tools for daily life. Crafted from 100% BPA-free plastic, they are odorless, durable, and lightweight. These sturdy jars are resistant to chemicals and impacts, helping to keep your items neat and organized. The included small spatulas make refilling these containers a breeze. After a simple wash with water, they can be reused again and again, promoting sustainability. What we like? This 9-piece set comes with convenient spatulas, making it easy to dispense and apply your beauty products. Its attractive pot appearance and effective liners prevent drying out. If you enjoy DIY cosmetics, need versatile storage for various beauty items, and appreciate thoughtful accessories, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. This container is very durable. The design is sleek and functional. Number 1. Gravel Silicone Travel Bottles 3 ounces, 2-pack. Planning your next trip? These bottles are perfectly sized at 3 ounces, meeting all TSA 311 carry-on regulations. You can bring your favorite liquids with you, hassle-free. Forget rigid plastic. They are made from pliable silicone, making them easy to squeeze and ensuring you get every last drop. This soft feel also makes them incredibly packable. No more spills in your bag. Their secure caps are designed to prevent leaks, keeping your toiletries safely contained. Travel with confidence, knowing your belongings are protected. This compact set nests neatly, saving space in your toiletry bag. They are ideal for travelers seeking reliable, reusable containers, reducing waste from single-use bottles. Refilling and cleaning are a breeze thanks to their wide openings. They are designed for repeated use, making them a sustainable choice for all your adventures. Never mix up your shampoo and conditioner again. They come with interchangeable labels, allowing you to quickly identify your liquids at a glance. What we like? These bottles are made from soft, flexible silicone, making them easy to squeeze and pack efficiently. They also feature an interchangeable label system for quick identification of contents. If you prioritize ease of use, clear organization, and TSA compliance for your liquid toiletries, these flexible, labeled bottles are an excellent pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.